Well, made by Ethio Legend Industries, and I think this must be the newest of the Prime FC teams. It's the C team here. And we're underway. Vamos, they play against Xtsc Canoers. Bob Chen was supposed to come. I don't know how is he going to finish this meeting with no Finishes FC president Aaron Dolsage. Here we start with Lewis to Claire, and she had a better idea right here. Oh, and that was a little accidental of a collision. Good play there by Sergio to Anderson right here. Anderson laid right back to Sergio. Sergio, the pass, Anderson, and that would have been ideal on the back heel, where they needed options. Rebound. Brianna's right there. Shot. Oh, and into the glove as Anderson let it go. Another shot and into the glove. About a minute and 10 in. This is like one of those new seasons, and there it is for Lewis. Sergio on the tight space. Oh, a little too far for Brianna. Oh, ball! But the point across the lane here for Anderson. I like this now. A little bit of a rear view mirror. Across the lane, Lewis. A little too far for Claire where she had it. Up, and then the captain Eric is in. And another green light here by Lewis. Look out for lost shot. And that was off of Anderson. And that's going to be a corner. Is this the tightrope qualities into the glove of Lucas? Welcome to the new season at Canoe. Ooh, a little too far. Oh, and then there's another one. Just gotta keep an eye out for where the ball lands as well from behind me. Went wide. Lucas. Right back to the captain, Eric. Right back to Sergio. Right back to Claire. Right back to the point. And it's Lewis. Right back to the captain, Eric. Across the lane for Claire. Down low for Sergio. Right back to Lewis. Claire comes in. Oh, but she had a better idea. Right back to the captain, Eric. Right back to Sergio. Go all the way back here for the captain, Eric. Nice maneuver here by Sergio. Flipped one, that was wide. Another hit there by the captain, Eric. Look out for the canoeist side. Denied there by Lewis. And in comes Claire with a 1-on-2. Oh, and then it was Brianna right there. She had it. Nice denial there by the captain, Eric. Sergio to Lewis. Right back to Sergio. Right back to Lewis. Easy does it, Eric. Oh, look out, it's a 3-on-2 to a breakaway. Good save by Lucas. On a chilly Wednesday night. Good block there by the captain, Eric. And now it's going to be for the canoer side of things. And the call. Here at the point from the canoer side of things. Eric with a denial save. By the glove of Lucas. And look out for the lost shot. Wait wide.
Time. Hey! One.
Sergio, right back to Lucas, or rather Lewis. Good ball into Sergio. Oh, yeah. Another denial there. It's out. Yeah, exactly, Baden. Exactly now. Because I know that it's his business and it's his field, so he lives literally a minute away. Exactamundo. And now look out, Eric. Oh, look out for the long shot here. Good defensive play. I thought he was going to get nutmeg, but no harm done. To Lucas. To the low ball. And then Lewis is right there. Another denial there by Claire. And Brianna, she was there. Another hit. Oh, what a move by Sergio. Oh, wow. This will make a little bit of my Prime C debut. So Anderson's back on defense along with Sergio and Eric. Saved by Lucas. He'll cover. Right back to the captain, Eric. Right back to Lucas. Sergio. So Anderson. Oh, hold on. That's the other whistle. So here's Sergio. To Eric. Doing a little bit of maneuvering. To Claire. Oh, nearly stolen there by Brianna. Denied there by Anderson. Oh, how about a second nutmeg? Look out for the one time. Somebody has to cover up on a Canoers player right now in the green. Denied there by Anderson. For the second moment. There you go. Oh. And look out for Lobo. Good denial there by the captain, Eric. And Claire with a defensive play to Anderson. One-on-one. Oh, another one there by the captain, Eric. Oh, hello. How about that for the highlight tape? Back where he never left. Oh, yeah. Now look how Claire on the defense. Good play there by Lucas. Can't believe it. That meeting's taken forever. Right back to the point, and it's Claire all the way back here for Lewis. Oh, good ball. Anderson with almost another. And now look out, Eric. Oh, there. Oh, there. Oh, he missed. He hit the post. But a corner. Good ball. Well, I mean, I don't know if it was intentional or not, but it was a defensive play again by the Xtsc Canoers. Another one there by Lewis on the defensive end. Oh, how about that for a nice pretty move? Right back to Anderson. Right back to Eric again. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. This is going to cause a little bit of havoc. Right back to Lucas. And then Lewis. Right back to the captain, Eric. Block shot. Oh, way wide. It was the other ball from field 1. Right back to the captain. Good ball there for Brianna. Ay, 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 ay. That's too far, too far. Oh, what a ball. Oh, and Claire nearly had it right on her feet, but it was a little too far. My goodness. Lewis is not going to like on this highlight tape. But he comes in. Oh, what a move. But also Claire got bowled over. Oy, oy, oy. Look out for a long ball here if I were Sergio. Good denial. Ay, and then Eric with another defensive play. Back like he never left on Canoe. Oy, 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 almost. Oh, look out, Sergio. Look out the defensive end. Now look out the wide side. Way wide. And Anderson, oh, and then he had a better idea for Brianna.
Go back if you need. Nice ball.
A little too far. Right back to Anderson again. Nice maneuvering. Across the lane here for Sergio. To Anderson. Oh, well, he had a better idea for Brianna on the back door. Look like a hand. But then right back to Eric again. Down low, Anderson. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, here we go again. Look out for the Canoers player. Oh, went wide. Let's get this on video, Baden, shall I? Isn't it Bob Chen, Baden? He does not have a pink jersey. Unbelievable. It starts time to gain the fines up to Bob Chen again. Here comes the captain, Eric, looking for options to Sergio. Down low for Claire. Right back to Sergio. Down low. Loose ball. Oh, and Anderson couldn't stuff it home. And it's up and out of play. And Eric does a little keep-ups as well. And he's talking to Bob Chen about the jersey. Bob Chen again. 17 minutes late. He's even more later than now Steven. Wow, what a defensive play by the captain, Eric. Now look at Anderson. Oh, dang it. The Xtsc Canoers draw first blood here at Canoe Landing. And I know what Brianna pretty knows about this one. And it's 1-0 for the guys in green. Next. Well, that's a little bit of a painful idea right now in my Prime C debut. And it's 1-0 for the guys in green. For the people in green. Ooh, here we go again. Another one there by Anderson. Look like a hand. Down low for Anderson. Loose ball. Eric for the tie. Where he had a lane to shoot the ball. Sergio comes in. Down low, Anderson. Oh, that was blocked. Well, that's it for the end of the first half for both. But it's 1-0 for Xtsc Canoers to end the first half in my Prime C debut.